in this video, we're going to look at how to assign an installer. Let's do it. As always, we're starting from dashboard, easier to navigate. So where we're going to go now is, again, click your team, your workspace settings, we're still there, your users and roles. Okay, as you can see on this screen here, as me as a company owner, I'm the owner here. So we have 2 more users to add. If we can add 1. So we have a team subscription. So this is up to 3 users. Let's invite a user. So what that does, okay, John, let's do John, for example, John Smith, my email, and now that's the role. And before we select the role, we need to go for the, roughly understand the permissions. So admin will have full access, same as the owner. So let's say if you have a business partner that needs to see a same picture, same what's happening, same as owner, you put as an admin. So then both of you can see the same dashboard, everything's the same. So there's no limitations in what you see. Supervisor, when you assign a supervisor, this is mainly for the app. So he doesn't have access to the web version because really he doesn't need to. But again, I'm happy to listen to your ideas, and we can change that. For now, he doesn't have because he mainly works on the field. He doesn't need to have the web version. So otherwise, it's going to be too complicated for him. So he can manage the jobs. He can see the scheduling, and he can see the approvals, all from the app. That's a video that's the topic for the other video. Estimator, when you assign him, obviously he can use the web version and app version. On the web version, he only sees his jobs. So let's say you have 2 estimators. You see both of them here. So you can see what one estimator does, and you can see what second estimator does. And those estimators don't see each other's jobs. So it's just, we made it just not to complicate themselves. So then they just focus on their estimating, what they kind of are quoting. So they can see only what they've done, but you can see all of it. Then installer obviously doesn't have access to the web version because he doesn't need to. He always somewhere there in a client's house, so he only works through the app. So as soon as you assign an installer, he gets an email, welcome email saying, okay, you've been assigned or you've been invited to this company. Please download the app, create a password, and then here you go. Then you will see him here in the system, and you can then assign the jobs to him. But that's a topic again for another video. But this is just inviting a user. And read only, that's mainly for the clients. So clients for free, we don't need to. They're not part of your team. So you can invite clients to see the job card, the quote you've created for free. They will have a direct link to that job card, and that's it basically. They like view only. So for this particular video, we're gonna put as an installer. John Smith, our installer, that's it. Send invite. All done. So now the installer is invited. So now you can, if we're gonna go back to the dashboard, as soon as he accepts and you accepts the invitation, creates the profile, creates the password, you'll be able to see him here, and then you'll be able to assign him a job. But that's in different video. We've done this part. Thanks for watching. Again, open to any ideas, any of your feedback, and I'll see you at the next one.